My goodness, what's happening? But hey, everybody! Today I'm playing Roblox, and this Roblox video that I'm making is Blue Train with Friends. Something unexpected just happened in the middle of this video that I'm making. I have no idea what's happening. What is that spawner? Duck? Duck is now in the game, guys. Unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Ah, there he is. He's like, hello there. Well, guys, I think I'll be right back. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. But I have no clue what's happening with these so much players because I have no clue why are they fighting. They're like, I want this train, and they say, no, it's my train. They're like ultimate fighters. But still, we're gonna drive this Thomas along the line. Thomas the tank engine hopping on. Do 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 do. Okay, I'm gonna switch that track. I can't. Oh my goodness, why is it so laggy all of a sudden? I hate things when they're laggy. Oh, look at that, there's another Thomas. I want to race him. Thomas are racing to the... Oh, man. Wait for me, dude. That's my line. I said that's mine. Give me my line already. Whoa, whoa. Oh. Oh. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, God. No, no, no. Oh, God, you got to be kidding me. Why are these people so mean? Holy guys. This is the most laggiest server I ever played. And Percy is so slow. Why is he so slow? Why is Percy so slow all of a sudden? Maybe he has double of him inside of him. Maybe that's why he's so slow. Now that's more like it. That's more like it. This is more like it. But this is really, really laggy, which I don't like. This is the most laggiest server I ever played, I guess. Oh no, Thomas, please don't tell me. Oh, what the? Dirty James! First of all, Dirty Percy, and now Dirty James? Oh no, please don't tell me you have traffic going on. Are you kidding? Oh, finally, guys, I finally get to drive Percy. All on my own. But this is pretty laggy. I don't know why is it so laggy, but I just want to play. Why are so many people here? I wish whoever created this game only can allow one player to play. Or maybe two. Just two. But whatever. Oh god, here's another person. I can see Duck down there. And this is my question. How did Duck get to Tenement Sheds all the way to back there? That makes no sense. But there's another plane running. I could see James without his tender off the rails. Without his tender. Anyways. Nothing is bothering me at all. Except for the lag. Well, whatever. So I just go like, I'm going, and then I just stop like this. Weird, huh? I'm gas, and then just freezes for a second. Oh, look at that. We're switching to another line. Wait, stop! Need to switch to this other line. Anyways, let's go. Why is there so much lag all of a sudden? I'm going and then stops. Hey, it's James, guys. Hello, James. How are you going? Wow, we're going through not bird station. Sorry guys, sorry. Hopefully we don't crash. Oh, now James has poor traffic jam. Okay, anyways. I'm gonna switch to this other line. Oh, why is it so laggy? Oh no! Oh no! I derailed! Oh no! Oh no! This is no good. Oh man! My Percy came off the rails! And it's still going for some reason. There you go. I'll be right back, guys. Now, guys, I had to leave that server of Blue Train with Friends because it was too laggy. But this game that I'm playing is called Thomas Early Days. So what this game is all about Thomas and his friends in the early days. Yeah. And you might recognize that James made up in the black coats and this Thomas the green tank engine. You know that movie from The Adventure Begins. But anyways, now there's Gordon in his green livery, and oh no, we're gonna crash! Oh no! Oh no! I fell off the rails, and Gordon's off the rails. Oh no, I'm gonna go straight into a tree. Ow! Thomas is not good right now. Well, now we're gonna... Oh, look at that! There's LBSC Thomas, but why is he shocked? That's my question. But anyways, let's just get Smokey Joe on the run. Come on, Smokey Joe! There you are, buddy. Hello, Smokey Joe? Smokey! 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 I want to drive you. Why is Smokey Joe not being good today? Let's try again. Let's see. Oh my goodness, what the... I think I need to go to another server, guys. So guys, now I'm all alone in this server, and I'm driving Smokey Joe. For some reason, this train doesn't have a face. That's the only thing that bothers me. Okay, so anyways, let's go. Look at that. There's my LBSC Thomas that I crashed. I think this is the same server. I think this Smokey Joe was broken for a few seconds, and now he's back to normal. There's the express coaches that are certainly can't pull right now. Wait a minute. I want to go on the other track. Well, I need to go back. Gas, gas, gas! I gotta step on the gas. I need a Lambo, yeah. I need to be quick as a flash. I need a hero. Now we're going this way. Gotta go fast. Oh no, we're gonna fall off the tracks, aren't we? Oh, that was so close. Smokey Joe is pretty fast. We're going for another station. Whoa, that was crazy. Whoa. I think we're going too fast. We're gonna fly off the track. That was awesome! Awesome, 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 awesome! Okay, I'm okay. Okay. Wait a minute. Where does this ladder take me to? Wait, who is this? It's Danyako, the Henry Stickman fan. Why is there trucks there? I think this game's in construction. But anyways, let's drive the Janko. Why does he have that purple block on his face? blocking one of his eyes. Whoa! Oh no, I crashed into the trees as well. Whoa, we're still going. Ah, we crashed into a tree. That's no good. This is Blind Scotsman. But why is he not on the tracks? This is Gordon the Express Engine. He's also on the tracks. Hopefully these two are gonna be in the tracks so I can drive them. But anyways, who can I drive next? I know who should I drive. Black James. The reason why we're now gonna drive Black James is because I want. Oh, I can't get in his seat. Guys, how am I supposed to get on James? I think it's impossible. Let's see. Let's try again. Come on, please. Moment of truth. Are you kidding me? I think I have to go to another server, guys. Now, guys, we have Black James, and now what we're missing is his shocked face. What are these faces exactly? Oh, this one. Because, you know, in the Adventure Begins movie, he's a runaway. Wow, he's like, I can't stop. Oh my goodness, he is pretty fast. I think he's gonna come off the rails. Oh no, we're gonna come off the rails. Oh no! Ow! Whoa, that was a close one. Oh god, we're still going. We're still going. Help! We can't stop. Oh no, I'm gonna crash. No! Stop! Oh no, we're gonna crash. Na 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 na. Wow, I went down there. So guys, I think this is gonna be all for this video, guys. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, click the bell notifications, and select all. I'll see you all next time for another brand new video, guys. See ya, everyone. Bye bye.